$12,570 is how much I lost today day trading. Let me show you what I did, what went wrong, and also let's do a recap of the entire month of July because today it is July 31st, 2024. So let's see how much I ended up with. Let's go. Okay, folks, first let's start with the proof. As you can tell over here, I lost $12,570. I took a total of 9 trades today. You can only see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because a few of them were from the same strikes. Okay, so now let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, guys, this is chart number 1, my first trade of the day. Actually, my first 2 trades were green, so let's take a look at it. Chart number 1 here, we opened with a huge gap up, okay? Then went up, retraced, and then reversed, and it went higher into the next gap up. Now this actually here was an area of resistance, so I decided to counter trend. Very risky, very dumb for me to do, there was no other word, but it worked. So I made on this first trade here, I actually made $210. Next trade over here, same principle. As you can tell, we went up in a gap again, rejected, enter, and cut over here. This next trade here made me $230 this time. So I was up about like $440 for my day here. Now remember, today is an FOMC day, right? So I already broke my rule of trading on FOMC. I lost so much money on FOMC that I usually do not trade on it. But you know, today I decided to take it. Unfortunately for me, I got greedy. I don't know why, don't ask me why. It was the last day of the month. I'm like, let's go, let's finish with a bang, and bang, oh, I should have, but in the wrong way. So let's continue here. Trade number 3. And this is the one that hurt the most. I lost 7,200 on this one. As you can tell here, that's the few one that I entered earlier, right? And then we continue down big time. And when we continue down big time, and that's my super trend line here, I decided to enter a little bit early, start to load actually, because we were about to break it. And then we reversed it in my face, and I had a lot of contract, loss of 7,200 here, okay? What happened next, guys, it's simply my emotions not being in check. Yes, I'm still human. Even if I am still better than what I was 2, 3, 4 years ago, sometimes greed can come back, chasing can come back, and I need to put myself back in check. So let me show you what happened next. Trade number 4, this time it is this one here. All right, now this is a little bit different because this is on a 5 minutes, so the chart looks different, but it's the same thing. This is the trade where I lost a ton of money, right? When it reversed on my face, then I waited, and then I saw again, same type of thing. I don't know why I'm trying to be short here because that's not the time to be short, but it is what it is. As you can tell, we about to break the 9 EMA here. I have a little downtrend, but I was too late again. We just retested it and then went back up in my face. That cost me $2,020 right here. Trade number 5. Same thing again. As you can tell, I'm in revenge mode trading right now, right? My emotions are not in check. So once again, test the 9 EMA, and instead of going long, I'm trying to go short, and boom, reverse in my face. Lost $1,600 on this one. Let's keep going. Same thing again, but this time I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait until we break the 9 EMA. And we did break the 9 EMA this time, and then reverse on my face. And I mean, I'm laughing now, but it's not funny on the day of. On the moment of. I lost $1,270 on this one. Let's keep going. All right, just so you know, this is all before FOMC. It's an FOMC day, but this is all happening before, right? Now, FOMC happened here, right? And now Powell is speaking. And my emotions are through the roof, even though I did take a break, went on a walk around my pool and, you know, see my kids for a sec. Nothing really helped because once again, we break the 9 EMA here and I'm like, ooh, I'm enjoying it. And then reversed, boom, in my face again. On this one, I lost $1,180. All right, last 2 of the day. If anything positive, that was the last 2 trades, but unfortunately, they were not significant at all. I finally got my short working by basically buying the rejection that happened here. Unfortunately for me, I only had 1 contract. Yes, that's it. If I had 10, 20, 30, I would have made probably all my money back. But you have to understand that now I'm down about 13,000 at this point, or 12,900, something like that. So I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna go slow. And obviously when you go slow, that's when it works. And I only entered one contract. I made $150 on this one. That trade, by the way, was about, I think, 45 sec, like something very, very, very fast, okay? And excuse me, it was actually 18 sec, exactly. And the last one was even faster. So I made 150 on this one, right? For 18 sec, and on this one I made 110 in 13 sec this time. Retest of the 90 EMA and then flush back, boom, in and out for legit 13 seconds, and I made $110. Total for the day, my friend, loss of $12,570. Okay. Now let's look at my monthly. Okay, just to show you how dumb this move was for my month. Okay, guys, this is July 2024. Okay. Had a great month so far. I ended up with $18,090. Now, here's the deal. As you can tell here, I had this huge loss of 12,570, okay? The funny thing is, remember when I told you I was green, the first two trades of the day, I made $440, right? Well, if I removed that day here, I was actually up 30,660. And with that 440, that would have been 31 grand for the month. $31,000 for the month. But my greed got in the way, my emotions out of nowhere got in the way. As you can tell, I'm relatively, I'm not say good, but I'm relatively consistent with my gains, and my losses are always relatively small, right? I mean, $4,300 here, only lost $20 here. If you look over here, made 1,600 over here, 2,600 over here, and then only lost 550 here, right? But out of nowhere, I wanted to really finish the month strong, and I finished strong in the opposite way. So let's resume with the entire weekly here, okay? First week, I made 5,520. Second one, almost 5,000, 4,950. Third week, 6,900, almost 7,000. Fourth week, almost 10,000, 9,720. And the last week, actually not week entirely because I still have 2 days, but those are August, $9,000, okay? Now here's the thing. So once again, to finish the month, I finished with $18,090. But if we really look at the week here, obviously the week is not over yet, right? But basically we ended up the month red on 31st. That's the bad thing. Now I have still 2 more days to make some money back here, but I'm not in the mindset of trying to make 12,000 back. No, it's not. Number one, it really happens. Number two, if I go this way, it means that I'm gonna lose another 12,000. So what I want is simply do what I do every single day. Make 3,600, 2,000, 2,600, $230, 2,900, 1,300, whatever it is, to rinse and repeat every single day. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.